I'm obsessed with this glowy TikTok makeup look I saw the other day. It's so easy. If you want to see how I recreate this, then keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare and all things pretty. So if you like that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I always start my base with e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. It gives the skin such beautiful, healthy radiance without feeling heavy or cakey. You can also use a skin tint or lightweight hydrating foundation, but make sure to skip anything matte. We want to keep the skin looking fresh, dewy, and glowy. Next, concealer. I first use it to spot conceal any acne marks I have. Once that's done, I take a little more concealer and highlight the center of my face to really brighten everything up and bring the light to the middle of my face. This step makes such a difference in making the skin look awake and fresh. For blush, I go in with deep pink liquid blush. I apply it to the apple of my cheeks. Since we are going for a glowy, radiant vibe, liquid or cream blush works beautifully because it melts into the skin and gives that dewy finish. Now it's time to set everything in place so it lasts all day long. I take press setting powder and lightly set my face, focusing on areas that tend to crease or get oily. After setting, I bring back some warmth into my face using Hoola bronzer. I apply it along my cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. To make sure my blush lasts all day long, I go back in with powder blush in a similar shade and layer it over the liquid blush. Using the same Hoola bronzer, I softly contour my nose to create subtle button nose effect. I start from the inner corner of my brows and gently blend the bronzer down along the side of the nose, tapering it towards the tip. I add a touch of shimmer shadow to the bridge and tip of my nose. This step makes the nose look cute, glowy. It ties the whole look together. Before I do my eye makeup, I spray toner all over my face to refresh and keep the skin dewy. My brows are naturally dark and fluffy. I don't overdo them, just a brow gel to hold them in place and set them with a brow setter. It looks clean but snatched. I mix these two eyeshadow and apply it all over the lids and blend it under my eyes. Once everything is blended, I take these two reddish eyeshadow and blend them softly under the lower lashes. If you don't have red eyeliner, that's okay because I'm literally using my mom's red lip liner on my waterline. Then I blend my under eyes to make it look defined and soft. For the eyeliner, I add a simple wing, but I start from the lower lash line, not the upper one. I highlight my inner corners to open my eyes. Then I apply the pink shimmer shadow on my lids. Lastly, to finish my eye look, I add the false lashes and they're really easy to apply. For lips, I wipe off any foundation I have, then lightly contour my upper lips to define it. Then I fill in with a Peri Peri ink velvet for the natural pink flush. I blend it with my finger for that soft look. Then I line the edges with the nude lip liner for the dimension and dab a nude lipstick in the center for the plump ombre effect. Then I melted a creamy highlighter between my fingers and tap it onto my cheeks, nose, and forehead, wherever light hits. This creates a fresh, dewy, radiant glow without looking oily. To finish the look, I add mascara on the bottom lash line. And that's the final look. See how easy that was? If I can glow like this, so can you. Now it's your turn to try it. If you learn anything new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want me to try next. See you in the next video. Bye.